If you're watching my videos, why can't you just take a screenshot and tag me on Instagram, Parler, Snapchat, and tag these Kilimall people? Like, I've been shopping on Kilimall for the longest time. Like, hey, I think I need shares. I think I need shares with them, honestly, guys. I think I need shares with them. Yeah, so if you like the video, please let me know. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, come back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know the love I have for you. Like, it's just too much. You're the people who are making me be here. Like, you're my VIPs, MVPs, very important people on this platform, you know. So today is just today, and on today's video, as you can read by the title, I will be showing you guys on how I ship my stuff with Kilimall, and I'll also be using a phone again, but you can also use your laptop. But in case you're using any laptop or any other device, it's advised that you go into the website and log in. Like, type the website, it's going to pop up, and there's an option where you're going to be logging in. But if you're using your phone, let me show you how it's done. So let us dive in, jump right in, slide right in. You add that word and then you put it in to the video. On today's video, I will be showing you how I ship on Kilimall. I will be showing you how I ship my items on Kilimall. And first of all, guys, before anything, if you're using an Android phone, go to what is it called, Play Store. Go to Play Store, download that app, because I don't think you can start anything without having the app on your phone. Like, download it. I'm waiting for you. So as we wait for you, let us just dance as we wait for you to download that app. Download that app. Hey, download that app. Hey, download. Download that app. And if you're also using an Apple device, go to your app store and get it. But guys, what you need to know and understand is Kilimall on an Android phone and Kilimall on an iOS phone, yeah, on an iOS phone, it's very different. I feel like the Android version of it is well detailed. Like, you can actually do your shipping very well and easily, and it's well developed there. But on this other app, which is the iOS, I don't think it's well developed, because there are some features which are missing on the iOS that Android has. So I'd really suggest, I don't know if it's me or it's because I started using an Android phone while I was shipping my things with Kilimall, but generally I just find it so hard, and with the iOS I find it so hard, and it's not well developed, and it doesn't have some features that are found in the Android version of it. So excuse me, Mr. CEO of Kilimall, or whoever you are, you need to upgrade or do something about the Kilimall app on iOS, because we are struggling. By the way, tag him. If you know him, tag him on this video. Tag him on this video. Tag him. Yes, tag him. Yes. And if you're watching this video, you better tag me and tag Kilimall, because they need to see, like, I've been here doing all these things with them and they can't see me. Hawanioni, like, mko wapi? You need to see me. You need to see me. Hiya, sasa my people, if after you have already downloaded the app from Play Store or App Store, you just go to the app. You'll see it in your phone. In this case, mine, this is where it is. It's on Kilimall, and guys, just ignore that thing you're seeing on the right side, because that's the app I'm using to record on the Android. So once you open, mine is already signed in. You're going to be needed to sign in and put in your details and all that. So mine is already signed in. As you can see, that's like my profile. I have 344 things on my wish list. Yes, and I'm adding more. I follow 7 stores which are really good, and I've recently viewed 361. That's like in an year, like 1 item each day. You do the math. So yeah, pending dispatch, I have something in transit, the items that are still on the road that are being delivered, and pending reviews, those are just items that I've bought, I've received them, I'm here to do a review on, which I will do on my next video. So check it out, and also check out my other videos on things that I bought on Kilimall down in the description box. And if you get an item and it's not as described on the app, you can see there's a refund or after sale process, and that's where you basically put your stuff. So after the place it's been written and rewards, you can see my assets, and I have 0 shillings literally. But if you press that option, let me just do it. If you press it, it's going to take you to your account. So there you're allowed to put in money in your wallet, and this is from probably your M-Pesa. You see it's saying top up. You can top up from your M-Pesa, and my phone number is there. I don't want you guys to see that. Yeah, so you can top up and you'll have money in your account, like the Kilimall account. So when you're making an order, you don't have to pay with M-Pesa. You're just going to make the payment using the balance in your account. And then there's the vouchers. I have 75 vouchers, guys. And guys, you should just stay there. Mimi, I'm being given vouchers and I'm getting my items for basically 0 shillings, almost 0 shillings. Keep watching. Anyway, so alafu then we have the coins, which I have 2,354 coins, which are redeemable when you are paying for your items. If you do not have enough, you can always redeem the coins. Yeah, my tools, all that, and then that's when you start seeing the items. So that's basically the account. As you can see on my cart, I have 11 items. I have 2 messages. I have there's the option of categories down below. There's also home. So it depends with what you want to buy, what you like, what you want, girl, what you want, boy, get it. So let's say today I don't feel like, okay, I'll tell you about the flash sale. So this area is where basically things are sold at a discount every single day, and these items are sold after every 2 hours. They're different items that are sold. So if you want to get something at a cheaper price, why not? Like, why not? So in this case, I don't feel like going on the flash sale area, so I just want to check what I want to buy. And let's say, why are they showing me bags? Like, do I need a bag? Hey, okay, let's go with this bag. So after you've searched and you know what you want, and as for me, we're going to take the 699 shillings bag. That's like $6.99. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, I'll check on it, see how it actually looks. And I can see there are 616 reviews on this bag. So I'll just check it out and see if it's actually what it's being displayed. And it looks quite exact as the pictures. So if I love it, I'm going to press add to cart. When you add to cart, there are options. I can see there are colors, and there's red, and there's also black. So I think I'll go for black. Yeah, so you just press black. It's on one size. Pieces, you're told you can make your decision. If you want 10 pieces, it's very possible to add all that. Yeah, but in this case, we are going to be taking only 1 piece. Yeah, so I'll press OK, and once I press OK, you can see something has bounced off from there to the cart section, and basically now it's in my cart, like it's on my basket. Yeah, but if you this happens, you're going to do this if you want to buy other more things and you're going to buy them at once. But because you're just buying this item once, like it's the only, assuming it's the only item in your cart, so you're just going to press order now. And after you order now, you're going to press OK, and it's going to take you directly to this page where you're supposed to make your payments and all that, and you can have the option of the discount and all that. And as you can see, there's the amount of the goods and the shipping fee. Guys, let me tell you something I've realized on Kilimall. The shipping fee of every item is 129 Kenya shillings. Imagine just that. So yeah, but if in the case that you're still doing more shopping, you can go check out other things. Like, let's say I want this blender, I'll just click on it. It has 542 reviews. You're going to read on them, but saying this is what I just expected. It's a great blender, it looks nice, and it looks like this is a nice seller, yeah, or a nice store. So you're just going to add to cart. You want it green in color, one piece, okay. After you add it to your cart, you can see the number is rising up on my cart. So you can just go back home and keep checking what you want to buy and keep adding it on your cart. Once you're done, in this case we have a total of 13 items, so I'm going to press the cart I'm going to press the cart area, and you can see those are the things that are in my cart as we are speaking right now. And so what we want to buy today is the blender and the bag. So you're going to select them, and if you want to add something more like the bag, you can click on it and add. But in this case, for this video purpose, we are buying the blender and the bag. So we are going to press the checkout. Once we press the checkout, we are going to have some information about your deliveries and all that, your location, where you're going to receive this parcel. And guys, as we continue, I just realized, yeah, in Mombasa, Kilimall does not deliver door to door. They have pickup stations whereby you have to go and collect your item. But when I was in Nairobi, these guys would always deliver for me my items on my doorstep. Like, literally, I would get a call. Hi, where are you? This is Kilimall. You're speaking to whoever and whoever. I'm a rider. Where are you located? Please give me directions. And then you give them directions to where you are, and they're going to deliver the parcel or the package or the order to your doorstep. Yeah, so once we have that, like you said, you can see the payment method. That's account. I had zero, but if you had some money in your wallet, that's the asset, you can use that to pay. You can either use your M-Pesa or credit card or debit card. I used to use my card, but I stopped. I stopped. So in this case, we're going to use M-Pesa, and then you can see, you remember the coins that I have, which were 2,000 and something. So in this case, the only coins I can redeem is 26. So I'll press there, and if the shop, oh god, I just forgot. If you go back and if you see the shop has a voucher, like let's use this first shop, KP Kenya. If it has a voucher, you're just going to press there and check out the vouchers they have. So the only voucher they have is if you're buying items worth 3,000 from their shop, and our item here is not even 3,000, so that does not apply. So we're just going to check out. So you're going to press the checkout, and we are paying with M-Pesa. As we had said earlier, you're going to redeem 26 coins, and if you have a shipping voucher, that's why you put in your codes, and you're like ting 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 ting, you also get a minus on your total fee that you're supposed to pay. Yeah, and at the bottom, on the left bottom side, you can see you're supposed to pay 2,801 shillings. So once you're done, you're going to press place order, and when you press that, it's going to bring a little pop-up message box that is going to add you to key in your phone number that you're going to use to pay for the items. So you key in your phone number, assuming that's my phone number, and then you press proceed. Once you press proceed, it's going to bring a message automatically on your phone, the one that you're using. It's going to bring a message and showing you that are you sure you want to pay this amount of money from Kilimall, what. If it's yes, they're going to ask you to key in your PIN number, your M-Pesa PIN number, and once you do that, you click OK. That's it. That's how you just paid. And you see, like when you're progressing, so they told me my M-Pesa account does not exist because I did not put the correct number. So yeah, that's basically it, and that's how you just place your order and all that. Like, it's very easy. If you like this video, please guys leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up again, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. That's it for today's video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. We are over and out. Bye. Toodles.